Good morning everybody. In this video, you will find explanation of part 1 of Act 1, Scene 3. This is the scene where Shylock, the Jewish moneylender, is introduced. Shylock hates Antonio and he has different reasons for doing so. Because of this hatred, he conspires to get Antonio into a bond, according to which he would cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh on forfeiture. That is, if he fails to repay the loan on time. This bond story is the main plot of the drama Merchant of Venice, around which all action in the play takes place. Now let's come to the text. This scene takes place in Venice, a public place. And we have Bassanio and Shylock in the scene, where Bassanio comes to Shylock to borrow 3,000 ducats that he needs to present himself as one of the suitor to Portia. Shylock, 3,000 ducats? Well. So you need 3,000 ducats? Well. Bassanio, aye sir, for 3 months. Yes sir, I need it for 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months? Well. So you need it for 3 months? Well, understood. For the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be born, and for which, as I have told you earlier, that Antonio shall be the security. Shylock, Antonio shall become bound. Well, so Antonio will act as a guarantor. Well. May you stead me? Will you pleasure me? Shall I know your answer? Will you help me? Will you oblige me? Shall I know your answer? Shylock, 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. So you need 3,000 ducats for 3-month duration and Antonio will be the security. Bassanio, your answer to that? So what is your answer to that? Shylock, Antonio is a good man. Antonio is a good human being. Bassanio, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? Have you heard any allegation against Antonio? Oh, no. My meaning in saying he is a good man is to have you understand me that he is sufficient. Oh no, I don't mean that. By saying that he is a good man, I mean that he is financially sufficient as a surety for 3,000 ducat. Yet, his means are in supposition. All his business are at risk. He hath an argosy bound to Tripolis, another to Indies. He has a ship sent to Tripolis, another ship sent to Indies. I understand. Moreover, upon the Rialto, he hath a third at Mexico, a fourth for England. And I have heard from the stock exchange that he has a third ship sent to Mexico and the fourth to England. And other ventures he hath squandered abroad. And he has other business investments uselessly scattered abroad. But ships are but boards, sailors but men. There be land rats and water rats, water thieves and land thieves, I mean pirate. But ships are planks of board. Sailors are mortal men. And there are thieves, danger of thieves in the sea. And then there is peril of waters, winds and rock. and there is also danger of water, wind, and rock. The man is notwithstanding sufficient. Nevertheless, the man, that is Antonio, is acceptable as security. 3,000 ducats. I think I may take his bond. So for 3,000 ducats, I think I can safely accept him as security. So in this speech, Shylock is calculating whether Antonio would be able to pay 3,000 ducats on time. And he has a belief that Antonio will not be able to pay the money on time because he has all his business scattered around the world and is also subjected to risk. And because of this belief, he accepts to lend 3,000 ducats to Bassanio with Antonio as a security. And here we find Shylock conspiring against Antonio. Bassanio: be assured you may. Be assured you will have your money back. I will be assured I may. I would like to be assured that I will have my money back, and that I may be assured, and in order to be assured, I will bethink me. I shall think over it again. May I speak with Antonio? May I speak to Antonio? Bassanio: if it please you to dine with us, if it pleases you to have food with us. Shylock: yes, to smell pork, to eat the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. What? I should eat with you to have the smell of pork, to eat the flesh of that animal into which Jesus had ordered the devil into. Here the pig is being considered as a dwelling place of devil. It is believed that a madman was possessed, and in the process of healing that madman, Jesus, who is being referred here as the Nazarite, had ordered the devil which possessed the madman to leave him and enter into a herd of pigs. And since then, it's a belief that devil dwells in pig, and therefore pork is forbidden for the Jews. I will buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so following. So I will trade with you, I will talk with you, I will walk with you, and do everything else. But I will not eat with you, drink with you, or pray with you. But I will not eat and drink with you, and nor even pray with you, because their religious beliefs are different. What news on the Rialto? So what is the news on the stock exchange? Who is he comes here? So who comes here? Enter Antonio. So now Antonio enters the scene, and we have Bassanio, Shylock, and Antonio present. This is Senor Antonio. This is Mr. Antonio. Shylock, aside. Here aside means that Shylock is talking to the audience, and the other characters in the play cannot hear him speak. How like a fawning publican he looks. He looks at Antonio and says that he looks like a Roman tax collector. This is a word of abuse used by Shylock for Antonio. I hate him for he is a Christian, but more for that in low simplicity he lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usance here with us in Venice. I hate him because he is a Christian, and even more because in his foolishness he lends out money free of interest and brings down the rate of interest in Venice. If I can catch him once upon the hip I will feed fat the ancient grudge I bear him. If I get hold of him at his disadvantage, I shall freely satisfy my long-standing grievances against him. He hates our sacred nation. He hates our Jewish nation. And he rails even there where merchants most do congregate on me, my bargains, and my well-won thrift, which he calls interest. He abuses me even there where the merchants gather, and he abuses me on my business deals and my hard-earned money, which he calls profit. Cursed be my tribe if I forgive him. My tribe will be cursed if I forgive him for all this. Here Shylock speaks the reason why he hates Antonio. First of all, because he is a Christian, and then because he lends out money to people in Venice without charging them interest, and as a result, the rate of interest in Venice. He hates the Jewish nation. He abuses Shylock on his business dealing and calls his hard-earned money to be profit. With this, I end with the explanation of the part 1 of Act 1 Scene 3. You will find explanation of the rest of the scene in the next video that I upload. Thank you.